Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix vibration is not working after update in Samsung Galaxy A34. If you are using Galaxy A34 and you're facing the issue that your vibration is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to just scroll in the control center and here just make sure that you have not enabled the do not disturb mode, your power saving mode, and you have selected general or sound mode from here, not a mute or vibration modes. Or you can also go ahead to your settings tab, go to sounds and vibration, and just make sure that you have selected sound mode. Now in volume you have to maximize almost all volume, especially your ringtone volume. Then just go back and go to system vibration. Make sure you have enabled this for all, and in vibration intensity you have maximized it. Then just go back from here and go to vibration intensity and just maximize it from here. Now once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to software update section again, and here just click on check for updates to check for the pending latest software update, because sometimes it might be that due to a technical issue or any software glitch your software update doesn't install as well on your phone. And once you have done, you have rechecked your software update, your issue might have been fixed. And after checking for software update, you just have to scroll down your control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. But if you're still getting the same issue, so you can try to go back from here and just go to your phone app or your dialer app, and here just dial the number, which is star hash 0 star hash. You might see this type interface here. You have to select vibration and just check if your phone is vibrating now or not. So if your phone is vibrating, so it means that your vibration motor is working. There's an issue with your phone. You just have to go back, just double press back button, phone will be back from that screen. Now once you are here, a simple and smart way, you just have to go to your settings app here, scroll down, go to general management, go to reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings and click on this reset option again to have a reset with all of your phone settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this, and after doing this, your issue will be fixed. You might not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.